Hi there. Um, going to give my 50 millimeter lens a spin here with the Sony Nex 5. Just got this in the mail, boxed. Pretty cool. I ordered one before and it just came in bubble wrap. I already have one, and I really like it that I can use a second-party autofocus lens for my Nikon. Instruction manual. I highly recommend getting a lens, getting a lens like this one if you have a Nikon camera and you're starting out on a budget. I was able to score this D200 for $40. It's not without the caveats. This button doesn't work. None of the functions works, but it's in programmable mode where it got stuck, so I got lucky. Other than that, I think it's great having one. Boy, it really feels like a camera with so much weight. Okay, just the trick to this puzzle. Let's see. Okay. Here it is. I've used this one before. You've seen the pictures you've seen the pictures with this lens using the not this one, using my D7DS, which is 6 megapixels. But I like this so much. I like it so much, and I think it's such a good lens to have, especially when it seems to be brand new. I wonder if it is. I don't know, but the way they sent everything all wrapped up makes you think it's brand new, or maybe it was a return. In any case, this is a fat but lightweight plastic lens. Actually, I think it is used. There's a lot of discoloration on this rubber right here. Can you see? But looks clean. Came with the front cap and the back, as you see. So let's see if it fits, right? I think I took out the memory on this one. Yeah, it says empty because I only have one SD card. Let's see where that little lineup button is. It's that little dot right there. See it? That's the marker. Bingo. I admit it has to, you're taking a bit of a risk with the used camera, because I do have a D80 that has that infamous D80 error message, but I'm going to take that one in because I paid $84 for that one, and it just seems a Nikon. Maybe it'll, I bet it'll be worth it to fix. So there it is. It's just awesome. Pops in and out. This favorite lens, and when I get this going, I'll put up some pictures. Signing out. You guys take care.